What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious eggplant pizza bites. So without further hesitation, let's jump straight into the video, guys. So here I have an eggplant. I'm just going to cut these up into some rings. You could cut this how thick or how thin you like. So I'm just going to remove a piece and allow it to lay flat, so when I'm cutting it doesn't move around. So I'm just going to cut these into some slices. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some salt on this to allow some of the moisture to come out. So once you sprinkle the salt on it, it will sweat and allow some of the moisture to come out. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and chop up some turkey bacon and some turkey pepperoni. For this part, you could use any protein of choice that you like. Now I'm going to make a little sauce to go on it, or a little seasoning marinade. So I add salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and some Italian seasoning, and also some olive oil. I'm just going to mix this around, and then I'm going to brush this onto my eggplant slices. Now I'm just going to use a paper towel to soak up the liquid from the eggplant. As I mentioned before, the salt will pull some moisture out, so I'm just using a paper towel to soak up those moisture. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush on my herb marinade on it. And as always, guys, I will leave the full measurement for everything I'm using down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip these into some cornstarch. Now the cornstarch is going to help these to get nice and crispy, because you know we are working with vegetables, and frying vegetable doesn't get crispy that easy. So I'm going to add some cornstarch lightly dusted, and I'm going to coat these and allow them to sit for a minute and then fry them up. Now in my cast iron, I'm going to start frying these. I have a couple tablespoons of oil. I'm going to fry these on one side until golden brown, and then flip them around. Now that these are done, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the oil, and I'm going to allow them to drain a bit on a piece of paper towel. And continue on with the next step. Now all my eggplant has fried up. Now I'm going to place these in a baking dish, and I'm going to get them all dressed up. And guys, this is a low-calorie snack or a meal that you could have low on the carbs if you're trying to watch the waistline like I am. Yes. Now I'm gonna go in with some jar marinara sauce. You could make your own marinara sauce if you like, but jar works perfectly. Also, guys, this is a quick weeknight dinner as well. As I said, if you want to go low carb, I'm gonna go in with some shredded mozzarella. And guys, for a better melt, you want to make sure you grate your mozzarella freshly because the bag stuff doesn't melt that well. Now I'm going to go in with my protein, which is my pepperoni and bacon bits. And also, this is a lovely appetizer as well, guys. And now I'm going to top this off with some grated parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to stick this in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is exactly what our eggplant pizza bite is looking like, guys. These were amazing. If you enjoyed the video so far, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also if you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.